Good day, everyone. Learn how to check the history and clear history of Safari in any iPhone. So, you need to open the Safari browser and you will have this icon of copy, like a book at the bottom right corner, where we click on that. And here you will find the bookmarks and the reading list. And at the right hand side, you have this history. So this morning and other days, and you can simply click on clear if you want to clear the history. If you want all history, you can close that and clear that. And you can also close all tabs. So if I select all history and I'll click on clear history, all the history of Safari browser in iPhone is removed. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.